We are pleased to show you the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.